Hey there guys, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a live unboxing and showing off some of my garage sale finds. So I found the new Minion, looks like the Thing from Marvel Comics. Donatello and what do you call it thing, tow truck. Pretty cool, he has his staff pointing forward ready to fight. Little pirate ducky. Those were all free, by the way. And then got Star Child, who I liked from the Scooby-Doo. Very sexy with the chest hair and such. Only 50 cents. And now for the real stars, we have C-3PO. Reminds me of the old action figure from Hasbro a long time ago. Unfortunately, I never got that one, but this bobblehead is really cool. Nice likeness to the character. Got Yoda in his holiday gear. Again, reminds me of the old Hasbro figure, which I never got a chance to pick up, so I'm very happy to get this guy, especially for so cheap. Got the Hulk. This one's a little bit grayer than the regular Hulk, kind of has that classic view, but I believe it's from the movie. Yeah, it says here 2008 film. I don't know if you can read that. But the eyes on there are really cool looking. Looks like they're infused with gamma. Here he is. Absolutely love the angry expression on this guy, and the skin tone is just awesome. Iron Man. And this was made in 2008. Has his repulsor out, ready to go. Looking absolutely badass here. Got Captain America. Very classic. As you can see, there's some other ones listed on the side. I really hope I can find the Thor one of these days. Looks really good for the most part. Some little paint flaws here or there, but nothing too bad, especially given the age of this guy. Spider-Man. Same series, different characters. Oh, this one's a little harder to open. There we go. Looks really good. A little bit of visible factory glue, but negligible again for the price. Webbing lines could use a little work, but again, it's very old, so I don't expect the world. But I do really love his pose. And the last of the Wacky Wobblers, we got Wolverine, Blockbuster exclusive. And this is probably my favorite looking one of the ones I found. Hopefully it's all good. Yeah, he's really cool looking. And his arms actually move. Now I also have some other stuff too, but those will be uploaded on Instagram. Got Invisible Woman with her shield. Human Torch. Mr. Fantastic. And this awesome King Kong display piece. It's really good. I love that movie. Not that I've seen the whole thing, but I used to watch the dinosaur fights when I was younger. And yeah, so that was really fun. Happy Free Comic Book Day, guys. Make sure you go pick up your free comics. There's supposed to be a Luke Skywalker one today. And if I get anything good, I'll be sure to post them on Instagram.